Hi everyone and happy Friday. This is our first letter names, sounds, and sight word review. So we're going to get started with our letters. So I'm going to hold up a letter card and your job is to repeat after me for the first round. For the second round, you're going to repeat after me for the sound, and then the third round you're going to try all on your own. So let's do the first one together. Ready? This is letter M. This is letter A. And this is letter T. All right, make sure that you're repeating the letter right after me. This time we're going to show our letter cards, but you're going to tell me the sound. So repeat after me. Ready? Ah. All right, this third round, you are going to tell me the name of the letter. I will not say it, so it's your job to say the name of the letter. Ready? Right, this is letter M. Great job. This is letter A. Awesome work. This is letter T. This round, we're going to do the sounds. Good. Letter M makes the sound. We call it our belly rubbing letter. Ah, very good. So ah, we pretend that we have our imaginary apple. When we go to take a bite, apple. Just like a. Last one. Good. T makes the t sound. And you'll notice that t is an air sound because you can only make the sound with some air. So ready? If you put your hand out in front of your face and you go t, 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 all you're doing is blowing air out. You're not making a noise with your voice. So if you put your hand right here on your throat, on your voice box, if you go t, 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 you won't hear or feel anything moving. If you do a sound like you can feel your voice box vibrating. So is a voice sound and is an air sound. All right, those are the three letters that we've learned so far. The next thing I want to do is sight words. So we're going to do another, the same kind of thing. We're going to do a quick round. I'm going to say the word when I show the card. Your job is to repeat after me. The second round, I'm going to hold up the card and you are going to tell me what it is. Ready? This is the sight word A, but we read it as like I see a dog. The. I. Can. To. At. And these are the two we've been working on this week. Look and see. See is one of our blue words, but we move it up because we see this word a lot in some of our early readers. All right, this time I'm going to mix them up, and your job is to say them when I hold them up. Hang on, I just dropped a card. All right. Let's see, I'm going to mix them up out of order. Good, the sight word is to. At. Good, sight word A, but we read it as a. I. The. And can. Our last two that we've been working on this week. Look. When I look at this word, I think of it as two little eyeballs, and then I sometimes will draw a little pair of glasses because it reminds me to think of the word as look. and C. This is one of our, remember, our blue words, but we bump it up because we see it a lot in our early readers. That is it for our letter, sound, and sight word review. So keep working hard, and I can't wait to see you all next week.